The Rainbow Mountains of Danxia. Flowing bands of cool blue, bold red, and buttery yellow meander over miles of steep cliffs and rolling hills. They collide with streaks of glowing green and burnt orange, as if they are painted onto the mountainous canvas by an artist's brush. This picturesque landscape is not an imaginative painting. Instead, it is located in China and is a natural wonder of the world. The Rainbow Mountains are among the most spectacular but least visited tourist attractions in China. The mountain range is a small part of the Danxia landform. This sandstone formation covers a 1,000-mile arc from western to southeastern China. The region is comprised of a variety of habitats and ecosystems. Danxia means rosy cloud in Mandarin Chinese. Formation of the mountains. Below Earth's surface are continent-sized pieces of crust and mantle called tectonic plates. These plates float on hot liquid rock and drift slowly over or under one another. At times, tectonic plates converge. As the plates push against each other, they form mountain ranges. The force of tectonic plates has caused China's bedrock to fold and crumple like a piece of paper. This crumpling is responsible for creating the Rainbow Mountains. Although the geographical formations of the mountains themselves are common, their vibrant appearance is unique. The colors of the mountain range are a result of sedimentary buildup. Scientists believe that more than 24 million years ago, the area where Danxia is located was covered with lakes and rivers. These bodies of water deposited layers of reddish-brown sand in their beds. This tinted sand created the red cliffs of Danxia. The soil also contained rare blue and yellow minerals that dyed striations of forming rock, resulting in the elaborate arcs of color in the Rainbow Mountains. Features of the landscape. The Danxia formations contain sandstone layers of bedrock that create wavy patterns of color. Where brittle sandstone has snapped, steep cliffs and hills have been shaped at odd angles. Many years of erosion have chiseled the jagged pillars, creating smooth surfaces on some of the mountains. Across the landscape, hard, craggy rock is balanced atop soft, sculpted rock. These features form bridges, pillars, and walls. Among a total of 7 stone overpasses, the Tongtai Bridge is the largest. It measures 6 to 8 meters in height and 50 meters in length. Other famous landforms include Teapot Mountain and Gunyan Rock. These phenomena draw visitors from around the world who wish to appreciate the stunning landscape. Tongtai means health and success for passers-by. Tourism within the province. This dreamscape offers a chance for renewed wealth and importance for Gansu province, where the Rainbow Mountains are located. Gansu was once the gateway between the deserts of Central Asia and the Chinese heartland. Today, most commerce is conducted via oceans. Because of this shift, only a fraction of trade passes through the province, reducing its tourist industry. Therefore, the provincial leaders have promoted the remarkable mountains as an attractive destination for travelers. The attempts to increase tourism are working, boosting the popularity of the Rainbow Mountains. Many people from China and abroad now travel to experience the majestic heights and vivid colors. Roads and hiking paths through the mountains expand access to their scenic peaks. While the expanded and exposed rock of the Rainbow Mountains is captivating, the ecological significance of the wooded valleys is paramount. Protected by sandstone cliffs, these valleys are blanketed in evergreen forests. Rare plants such as the Dharma orchid and the phoenix tree, found only in this region, flourish in these woodlands. Appropriate construction techniques and anti-pollution measures will ensure their survival. Hence, the Chinese government and the United Nations are working to save this habitat for hundreds of species that make their homes in the Rainbow Mountains. The extraordinary landforms and stunning scenery of the Danxia region provide all who visit the opportunity to experience its natural beauty. With its temperate climate, tourists can comfortably hike the peaks and witness firsthand the seemingly endless vistas. For an experience like none other, journey to the Rainbow Mountains, one of China's most impressive wonders of nature. Visitor reviews. Read these reviews from tourists who have visited the Danxia Mountains. I have just returned from a visit to the Rainbow Mountains. I highly recommend this destination. The formations were amazing. The view from the peak to the valley was breathtaking. Be prepared to climb many stairs to reach the best vantage point. But even views from the parking lot are impressive. For a one-of-a-kind experience, be certain to visit this awesome site while in China. Julian B., Florence, Italy. Let me be the first to tell you that a visit to the Rainbow Mountains is an excellent choice. When I was there, it was a cloudy day. I was worried that I would not witness the full extent of the splendor. Well, I was wrong. Even without the bright sunlight, I could see the bands of color from red to yellow to blue within the rock formation. After a brief rain shower, my tour group was greeted by a rainbow that shone through the cloud cover, making the experience even more amazing. Do not miss this destination, but remember your rain gear. Scarlett S., Atlanta, Georgia. The Rainbow Mountains of Danxia. Flowing bands of cool blue